Hey there, tech enthusiasts and connectivity seekers. Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of cutting-edge tech gear. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the Waveform MIMO 4x4 panel antenna kit. If you're craving lightning-fast 5G internet and want to boost your connectivity to the next level, this kit might be your secret weapon. Stay tuned as we explore its features and how it can revolutionize your internet experience. Let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at the Waveform MIMO 4x4 panel antenna kit. This is your gateway to blazing fast 5G internet. We all know that your 5G internet is only as good as your 5G cell signal, and this kit aims to supercharge that signal. What makes this kit special is that it's an all-in-one solution optimized for simple DIY installation. Inside, you'll find everything you need: the antenna mount, quad cable, SMA, TS9, and UFL adapters. Plus, there's a detailed installation guide to ensure that you can quickly and easily set up your antenna. Whether you're using a 5G router, modem, or gateway, this kit has you covered. Calling all T-Mobile 5G home internet users. This kit comes with detailed guides for connecting to every TMHI gateway, including popular models like the Nokia 5G21, Arcadian KDD21, and Sercom Fast 56WW gateways. You'll be up and running in no time. The Waveform 4x4 panel antenna kit isn't just limited to one specific brand or model. It works with a wide range of router and modem manufacturers, including Netgear, Peplink, Cradlepoint, MoFi, and many more. As long as your device supports external antenna ports, this MIMO antenna kit can help you achieve dramatically faster internet connectivity. Now, let's talk performance. This kit offers ultra-high-performance 4x4 MIMO technology, making it a standout option for boosting your 5G data rates. It outperforms traditional cell signal boosters, repeaters, or amplifiers. With up to 9 dBi gain across the frequency range from 600 to 6000 MHz, it covers every 4G and 5G band from every major carrier, including AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. But that's not all. If your LTE or 5G router supports 4x4 MIMO external antennas, this kit is often your best bet. It provides additional storage space for your data, allowing you to get the absolute best data rates possible. Say goodbye to slow internet and hello to uninterrupted streaming, gaming, and productivity. In conclusion, the Waveform MIMO 4x4 panel antenna kit is a game-changer for anyone craving faster, more reliable 5G internet. Its all-in-one kit, compatibility with various devices, and ultra-high-performance MIMO technology make it a standout choice for connectivity enthusiasts. That wraps up our comprehensive review of the Waveform MIMO 4x4 panel antenna kit. If you found this video helpful and are ready to supercharge your internet experience, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of top-notch tech products. Have any questions or thoughts about this antenna kit? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected, stay tech-savvy, and enjoy the power of 5G internet.